Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last class, we have solved one practical problem under profit and loss appropriation account, right? So, in today's class also, we are going to learn one practical problem under profit and loss appropriation account. Clear? Let's start it. K, R and S are in partnership sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2:1. So what is their profit sharing ratio? 3:2:1. 3 is to K and 2 is to R, 1 is to S. S share in profit has been guaranteed by K and R to be a minimum sum of rupees 8,000. So see, this problem is very simple and very short, but this is very important problem. So listen very carefully. What this is, S share in profit. S is the partner, right? His share in profit has been guaranteed by K and R to be a minimum sum of rupees 8,000. Guaranteed by K and R. It means what? It means K and R, they have promised that S will receive at least rupees 8,000 as profit, even if his normal share is less than that. Clear? See, S share in profit has been guaranteed by whom? K and R to be a minimum sum of rupees 2,000. Means K and R, they have promised that S will receive at least rupees 8,000 as profit, even if his normal share is less than that. Clear? Now profits for the year ended March 31st 2019, how much? That is rupees 36,000. Divide profit among the partners. So let's start it. See, in the books of K, R and S, profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending 31st 2019. So this is the format. Clear? Now first, what you need to write down on the credit side of the profit and loss appropriation account, by profit and loss account, net profit brought down how much? That is rupees 36,000. Clear? Now what is the format of profit and loss appropriation account? See, salary, commission, interest on capital and share of profit comes on the debit side, and interest on drawings, it will come on the credit side, right? So here salary, commission and interest on capital, that information is not there. Directly what we need to, we have to debit the share of profit of the partners, that is K, R and S. So go to the debit side, but we need to do the workings here. First see the working that is related to distribution of profit. Distribution of profit. How much? K, R and S are in the partnership sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2:1. So K's share of profit means 3:2:1. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, right? 3 divided by 6. The profit is 36,000. 36,000 into 3 divided by 6, that is to K. That is his share of profit, how much? 18,000. And R's share of profit, 36,000 into 2 divided by 6. Distribution of profit in the ratio of 3:2:1. Clear? Now S share of profit, what? 36,000 into 1 divided by 6, that is 6,000. So total profit 36,000. But here what they said, S share in profit has been guaranteed by K and R to be a minimum sum of rupees 8,000. See here, but S guaranteed a minimum profit of rupees 8,000. But S share of profit how much? That is rupees 6,000. But guaranteed a minimum profit of, that is rupees 8,000 by K and R. But his share of profit is rupees 6,000. Right? As per the profit sharing ratio, he will get only rupees 6,000. But K and R, they have promised to the 2 years a minimum profit of rupees 8,000. So what is the deficiency here? Deficiency is rupees 2,000. 8,000 minimum profit, and but actual share of profit, S share of profit is what? 6,000. So deficiency is rupees 2,000. Deficiency means what? It means shortage or shortfall amount. Here rupees 2,000, that is called as deficiency. Means S, he was supposed to get at least rupees 8,000 as promised by K and R. But according to the normal profit sharing, S got only rupees 6,000. So the shortage is rupees 2,000. Now K and R, they have to compensate this deficiency to S because they promised, right? You will get minimum profit of rupees 8,000. Now they have to, K and R have to compensate this deficiency to whom? To S. Clear? I hope this is clear to you all. Now see here, this deficiency that is borne by K and R in their ratio of 3:2. 3, that is to K, R, S. See, S ratio is 1, right? So K and R promised. K and R, they promised to S, right? So in their ratio means 3:2, they have to compensate. So this deficiency is borne by K and R in the ratio of 3:2. Now division of deficiency. How much deficiency here amount? That is rupees 2,000. So K bears 2,000 into 3 divided by 5,200. And R bears 2,000, that is the shortfall amount, into 2 by 5, that is rupees 800. Clear? Here see, if S normal share is more than rupees 8,000, means here more than rupees 8,000, he gets the higher amount. If S normal share is less than rupees 8,000, in our case that is rupees 6,000. Here K and R will give the shortage amount from their shares. Clear? So in this problem, S normal share how much? 6,000. But guaranteed minimum 8,000. 8,000. Right? So K and R together give extra rupees 2,000 to S. So that is why S finally gets rupees 8,000. Clear? So I hope this is clear to you all. This is very important. So now go to the debit side of the profit and loss appropriation account. Now we need to enter the share of profit. First write down to K's capital account. So here we have solved distribution of profit. K's share of profit how much? That is rupees 18,000. So write down 18,000. But out of this 18,000, K promised to S that he will give a minimum sum of rupees 8,000. So we need to deduct now. Deficiency given to S. How much? That is K bears. Here you need to write down not 18,000. Shortfall amount you need to write down. Means S actual share of profit how much? 6,000. But guaranteed amount by K and R is 8,000. So shortfall amount is rupees 2,000. 2,000 into 3 divided by 5. How much? 1,200. Clear? Don't get confused here. So write down here 1,200. So 18,000 minus 1,200, 16,800. Now to R's capital. R's share of profit how much? 12,000 as per the profit sharing ratio. R bears to S how much? 800. 2,000 into 2 by 5, 800. So write down here 800. So total share of profit, that is to R's share, total share of profit is 11,200. Now to S capital account, how much? That is S share of profit 6,000, right? 6,000. But what is the share of profit? What K and R promise? That they will give minimum sum of rupees 8,000. So here add deficiency received from K how much? 1,200. And deficiency received from R 800. It is totally 8,000 rupees. Now you need to total 36,000, 36,000. Clear? So this problem looks very simple but somewhat tricky. Clear? So see the video very carefully. So I hope this problem is clear to you all. If you have any doubts in this problem, please leave a comment. Thank you.